The great-crowned crane is a large, mostly grey bird with distinctive golden spiky head feathers and a red throat pouch. Standing about 1 meter tall with a 2-meter wingspan, it has white cheek patches, white and black patterned wings and black legs, a short grey bill and long black legs and feet which are adapted for balance and allow them to roost in trees. It found in eastern and southern Africa. They inhabit savannas, wetland and grassland and are the national bird of Uganda.